So one question too is if public models are for things like water supply are currently failing, why not privatize?
So the answer to this question would be actually twofold. First, we would have to look historically why public models are failing. Fine. So if you look back 30 years, 40 years, and then you see that there was something called structural adjustment programs which happened in various countries, and because of the influence of those programs, the governments were forced not to invest in public systems, and that led to the deterioration of the public system. If you would have invested that much amount of money, that much amount of effort in maintaining the systems, they would have really worked in a better way than they are doing at this moment. The second is we should not be promoting privatization because of the huge amounts of evidence that is piling up against it. Something which is not working should not be promoted. If we say something is a solution, it should work.
Yeah.
So, for example, I have I have an antibiotic, and I say that this is a cure to a certain disease. And when I administer that antibiotic to a patient, his situation deteriorates further. There are more complexities. So, do you think is it ethical to administer that antibiotic, that medicine to other people, to other places? I don't think so. So why we are administering a solution which is really not working?
Yeah.
So why we are pushing people to implement that kind of a solution? We can work. On the other hand, if you are investing more on public systems like they are doing in countries like Brazil and Argentina now, they are reaping rich rewards. They are getting people are really getting good public services in water and sanitation at lower cost, with the local communities' participation and control on how these services are delivered. So, but that will take a lot of will, lot of political will, lot of administrative will. It won't come easy. And these are the reasons we should not privatize.
Yeah.
Because it's not working. And we need to have ethics and will to improve the public services.